Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This car is amazing. This is one of the exceptional cars. It's a 68 442 with 29,000 original miles. In 2010, the gentleman I acquired the car from bought it from the son of the original owner, and the guy I bought it from did a body off frame restoration. Took him 7 or 8 years. He just finished the car in 2018. It's got about 700 miles put on it since it's been done. I put about 50 of those miles on, and it's one of the best driving cars I've driven here in a long time. It's all numbers match, factory colors, real 442. Go to volocars.com, and plenty of ways on there. Go to volocars.com, and you can see all the pictures, you can read the description, and you get the price. Not only on this one, but a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, it's my pleasure to take you for a spin in this 68 442. I'm always having to tell people, no matter what they spend or all the work that's been done to a car, they're still old cars. Drive this one, it's a new car. It drove phenomenally well. I took my daughter out for ice cream, the sun was still out. Drove like new, it shifted nice, the suspension felt right, it accelerated, it stopped, it just rode smooth, no squeaks, no rattles. It was just amazing. We went and got ice cream, the sun went down, you get right back in the car, restarts right up, and by now, like I'm saying, the sun was out, so I turned on the lights, dash lit up, the shifter lit up, everything was just right in this car. The AM radio doesn't work. Other than that, everything is working and functioning like a new car. If you watch my videos, you know I love that. It just shuts so nice. Even with the windows up, they all fit really nice. So anyway, he took the body off the frame. Under the car is spotless. The front end's completely rebuilt and detailed. The original Turbo 400 trans for this car was rebuilt. It's clean. It has its original 308 posi rear end that's been rebuilt. It has the rally suspension, which is front and rear sway bars, box control arms in the back. He went as far as to buy the Gardner exhaust. They make exact reproductions, exhaust systems. It's brand new front to back. It has the trumpet tips that come out through the bumper. So the bottom of the car is like new. He took the body off the frame. The chassis was prepped and cleaned and painted. The bottom of the car was all prepped and cleaned and has a light protectant undercoat on it, real thin. And you can see the floors are spotless. The inner rockers and quarters are mint. The little rubber flaps over the drain holes are all in place. Stainless steel brake and fuel lines. All new fuel system, the tank, the sending unit, the straps, new shocks. New starter. So under this car is like brand new. The body, amazing. It is absolutely straight. I've been around it. I got down low. Every square inch is straight. I don't see a dent. I don't see a ripple. I don't see any issues with the body. No bubbles. Everything fits really square and flush. I looked at it real closely. You'd never see it, but there's a light thin scratch right here touched up, and then there was a scratch, if I can remember, I think it's on the other side, just a little spot, and I tried rubbing it off. I thought it was dirt, and it's a little touch up. So other than a couple little nicks that you'd have to search for, the body's amazing. This is the factory color, Matador red. It never had a vinyl top. It was always a parchment interior, so great color combination. Windshield's new, the remote mirror's original, mild patina, it's a 9 out of 10. The vent window pillars are original. There are some speckles on the chrome, but it's still nice and bright. Up front, this is all restored. Bumpers are re-chromed. All of this is detailed out, all looks like new. Fits real nice, has the little rubber fillers in place. These grills are new. It has the correct antenna, it's mint. I love the wheels, and I've heard several people make that comment. I think it's just different. It sets the car apart. It's got the dog dish hubcaps and the red painted rim, new BF Goodrich tires. Just a nice look for this car. It's just a nice, clean, understated car. But look, I purposely rolled these windows up before we started. You can see how nice they fit. Door handles are new. Door jambs are spotless. Sill plates are beautiful. New weather strips. Look how all that fits so nice. The interior is just amazing. It's all legendary interior. The cushions, the seats, the door panels. Oh, it's a power trunk. I forgot to hit the button. All super clean metal, very neatly spatter painted. Someone didn't just get in there and spend 5 minutes. Someone sprayed this really nicely. It has the two-piece rubber mat. It has a matching brand new tire with a red painted rim. The complete jack assembly is cleaned up. It's all mounted. New wiring harness front to back, all new wiring. So the trunk light works, has all the decals. The bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb are painted like new. New weather strip. Comes with a car cover. Has the mesh speaker tray back here. It's new, and all the trim inside is all excellent. It is the numbers matching, VIN number matched turbo, 400 motor, 350 horsepower. I'm going to say it's restored to concourse condition. The motor is the correct bronze. It's immaculate. The right manifolds, the right air cleaner, has the new pie tin on top. It even has the heat riser tube coming off the manifold. GM hoses, reproduction date-coated spark plug wires. It has the rubber flaps by the radiator, GM hoses, the little plastic holder here. Every bracket, every component is restored. The whole power brake system, new cadmium plated booster, master, that's all new. The washers are all hooked up. It has spring clamp battery cables with a Delco battery topper. Immaculate inside. All new cushions, so they're nice and firm and fit right. All new. The backing plates, the window cranks, the armrests, this is all immaculate. Got door locks. The center console's been restored. They're all GM seat belts, and they're either pristine original or they're brand new reproduction. The seat belts are perfect. Has the rally gauges in the dash with the tick-tock-tack. The clock is in the middle of the tachometer. It all works. The clock works. Reproduction mats, new carpet. Headliners, white, and the visors, it's all mint. It has the Oldsmobile vanity mirror on the visor. This is an aftermarket genuine wood steering wheel. It is beautiful. There is one spot where the wood is kind of split apart that you'll feel with your hand every once in a while. Door jambs are spotless. I'm going to start it up. It sounds just right. Not too much, not too little. Sounds just right. Got that distinct Oldsmobile sound. I always say the Oldsmobile sound like a boat in the water, a deep muffled bu-bu-bu-bu-bu. This is spotless. Got the hood insulation. Lights work on the console. I think very highly of this car. I'm sure there's lots of cars on the internet, including our own website. They all look beautiful. You get the exceptional ones. This one's exceptional. I would drive in it I'd let my daughter just get in it and go. I'd feel that confident in this car. Body off frame, 29,000 mile car. Great colors, number matching. It's as good as you'll get. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our salesmen. They will help answer any questions or concerns you have. I gave you my honest impression of the car. If you want to know something more specific, feel free to ask them. And they can help with the whole process, the financing, delivery, paperwork. That's what they do a few times a day. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.